NAT has just dropped down from $8 to $6.29 in the last 24 hours since I've bought the stock. I'm down 27%. I've lost about 2,997. Okay, let's round it up. I've lost 3,000 pounds already in less than 24 hours. So stick with me and I will explain to you why NAT has dropped today. Welcome back to my channel, Family Investment. My name is Alex Ko. So less than 24 hours, basically yesterday, I launched a video about me investing over £10,000 in Nordic American Tankers to take advantage of the oil decline market. At less than 24 hours, stock market opened and boom, the price of NAT dropped all the way as low as $6 during the day, and then eventually settled for $6.29. The futures looks like it's still going down. I've lost a lot of money. I'm not telling my wife, she's asleep. I had to wait for her to go to sleep before I posted this video. And today I'm going to explain to you primarily why it's gone down. All of you are asking in the last video why it's gone down. So I've done my research. I'm going to present this to you. And also in this video, I'm also going to explain the Q&A. I'm going to set it like a Q&A session. And just to remind, I've lost 27%. I've lost almost 3,000 pounds. Just to remind, so you guys can make fun of me. Make fun of me. I'm not just about educating, but also about entertaining as well, you know. What's the fun when everybody's making money? Somebody has got to lose sometimes. Anyway, back to the topic. Why was it down? So the first primary reason is people are just basically taking profits. Taking profits. I've got the chart here. People are just taking profits. So if you look at the chart here from what I've got from Yahoo Finance, I'm going to just quote where I've got my chart from Yahoo Finance. In the last 30 days, you know, it's all started, the bull market all started on the 20th, 21st, 22nd. You know, the volume has been coming in. And today it's just a major sell-off. Basically, if somebody bought NAT 7 days ago, he will be just selling off today at 80% profit, me marking it. If the person, he or she, bought it 5 days ago, it would be 60% profit. 3 days ago, about 20 to 30% profit. So if I were them, I'll be taking profits as well. Imagine putting £1,000, £10,000 in, getting £8,000 out of that within 7 days. That is easy money, no brainer. People are taking profit. I don't blame them. And the second key reason why that the market was on the sell-off is, let me break it down. So basically, I'm not going off in tangent here, but Gilead, basically, the market all went up. You know, markets all up 2%, and NASDAQ over 2%, S&P 5 over 2%, the UK market, FTSE also over 2%, the French, the German market, they're all up more than 2%. It's a great day. Everybody is celebrating. Gilead is looking positive, and this cascades on. If we do have a vaccine soon, markets will open up, like shopping center, cinema, concert. People go back to normal life. You know, the floodgates will open, people go back to school, people go back to work, economy running again, boats be sailing again. And because of that, people think, because at the moment, oil demand has dropped by 80%. And if things open up, then oil will start going again. Planes will start flying, boats will start moving, you know, things will go in the well-oiled machine order. That's the positivity that it's brought. And because of oil going up by almost over 25%, that has caused people to think, wait a minute, if we don't need oil storage tanker, NAT will go down. So let's just sell it off. It's not going to go beyond 10, 12, 15. So the next question, the next Q&A, will the Q1 earnings help? The Q1's earning will begin on the 12th of May. 12th of May 2020. That's when earnings, and people are quite positive, hoping, fingers crossed. They said, if the earnings come well as the report, as you mentioned in your video, will it go up? Honestly, the earnings will not reflect the jump. I would say no. The earnings are based in January, February, March. And the real oil glut started towards end of March, April, and then the oversupply came in April. So I don't think you see the tanker demand then. I don't think you see the demand of NAT charging 70,000, 80,000 a day. You wouldn't see that impact. So don't expect the earnings. The earnings will show positivity, but it's not going to show the jump. I'm not sure how investors will react. But one thing that I'm looking forward to in the earnings is the declaring of the next dividend. The next dividend will show how much they will be paying. They'll be paying the debt off first, and then the next they'll secure the cash flow for dividend for us existing holders. So I'm looking forward to that, and that might show positivity, and that might show the push up in value. But the earnings, remember, it's only January, February. So don't get overexcited. The real earnings will come at Q2 and Q3. So the next question is, Alex, where did you get the dividends and the PE ratio? I couldn't get it. Lots of guys were looking for me, and guys were even looking for me on LinkedIn. So I'm going to share this with you. So maybe I didn't explain properly. So the 1.38, 1.37 dividends per year was based on 2015, 2016. And the PE ratio of 7, 8, 9, 10 was based on 2015, 2016. But the real question is why? Why did I do that? Why did I do that? So NAT, Nordic American Tankers, work differently from everybody else. They pay the dividend based on their business. If they make good profit, if they make good cash flow, if they got enough, they'll pay their shareholders dividends. That is the whole point of NAT. So we know that they will be paying, they'll be getting more money. So I'm pretty sure the next quarter, Q3, they'll be paying more than 0.14. And the next question is, Alex, are you still buying? Good question there. Yes, I'm still buying. So I've spent $10,986 on 1,586 shares. And in fact, today when it dropped all the way to $6, I got a bit more. I got 350 more shares. Yes, I'm still buying. Why? Why are you still buying, Alex? Basically, I'm still buying because there's the company is making money. We know that the company will be making money. I know that the company will be making money. And I know that when the oil starts processing, it starts going, people still need storage. Remember, oil is under 30 just now. Back in 2015 and 16, where we call it the crisis, oil was below 30 for about a week. And the storage was being filled up. Okay? And now oil has gone all the way down to the negative zone and back up again. And this time the duration is even longer. So storage, oil tankers are still needed. They'll hold it to a point. They're already making loss. Companies will hold it to a point up to 40, 50 before they sell them. And let me show you this chart, okay? You know, there was a video by NBC that showed, that showed the oil tankers all lined up in South Carolina Sea. And let me show you the maritime map, which I've just done literally 10 minutes ago. And you can see tankers in China still sitting. These are all just tankers. I filled them to tankers anchored, not moving in China. Tankers in the Suez Canal in the Middle East, Egypt, still loads of them out there. Tankers in Hague, in Holland, just around the North Sea, Britain and Holland. Heaps of tankers out there, and there's still tankers sitting outside South Carolina, California, and they're still there, and they'll be out there for a... So the next question is, how long will you hold it for, Alex? How long are you holding it for? Like I said, 6 to 9 months before I see it fruitful. Realize, Q2, Q3, I'll collect 2 to 3 dividends. But my target would be, at least $12 before I let it go, and then 15 ideally. I want to see how the momentum goes, the presentation of Q3 and Q4. No, sorry, Q2 and Q3. Presentation of quarter 2, quarter 3 on the profit and how they're doing, and also in the oil market. This company is making money, guys. The likes, there are loads of companies out there like Carnival, people investing is going up, but the company is not making money. We've got like Cineworld, we've got companies like BMW, they're all going up. Flights company, BA, Delta, they're all going up, but the planes are still sitting out there, not doing anything and not making money. But these tankers are sitting out there and making money. So that is what I tell myself. That's what I'm convinced that this for me, it's gonna have a good outcome. You know, it's my own personal opinion. You know, not everybody would agree, but you know, I know lots of guys out there have bought it. They're a bit concerned, but I hope that this positive news can give them a bit more comfort. You know, a bit more comfort. Invest what you can afford. So, are you still confident? Will it go up? Yeah, I'm still confident. You know, the maths is so easy with this company. Even a monkey can do this sum to see that they are making profit. You know, there's no brain, there's nothing going on. So I'm confident, you know, that it will go up. I know when I'm going to sell it. 12, I'm looking at 12, then 15, I'm going to sell it off, call it a couple of dividends, sell it off, and then go somewhere else. That's me taking advantage of the oil climate. And lastly, you know, hashtag still believe. So if you all holding that stock, feeling a bit more confident now, leave a comment below, hashtag still believe, so that we know that we are on the same boat. You know, you are not alone. I'm in here. I put money. I'm going to walk the walk. I'm going to walk the talk, whatever you put it. I'm not going to just describe but share and not put money in it. I'm putting my money on the line to prove that this is a worthwhile investment. Obviously with portfolio diversification and research, and you all know, you're all investors out there. So I hope you guys like this video, you enjoy this video. You know, if any more news, I will be bang on speaking about NAT, because I hold them. It's close to my heart now, and I need to walk the walk with all of you. So have a good day. My name is Alex Ko, Family Investment. Subscribe, like, and hope to see you again next time.